Hey everyone, and happy Valentine's Day. Today I am going to discuss how I achieved this look. Um, so it was just something I was trying, so I had a vision and this is what I came up with. So I started out by using some bases. So I started out with the P. Louise base in Winter Rose. And I applied it in this area because I was going to have my heart right there. So then I took a sticker, a heart sticker, and put it right there in that area. And then I went ahead and completed the look. So I took a couple of colors from my Wild Side palette. I used Purple Haze, that color right there. And I used Girls Who Get It, this lavender. And I used the lavender under the brow. And that dark purple I used around in the outer corner and around the heart. And then I used this P. Louise base on the lid in Daiquiri Diva. Applied that on the lid. And then I went to this color from Pastel Roses in Cinnabar Rose on the lid there in the middle. And then on the inner corner, I used Electric Dream by Pastel Roses. And you really can't see it, but it kind of looks like a peachy, like orange / pink color. It's like a duochrome, but I know you can't see it in the camera. And then, let me see, right here, this kind of purplish color here is by Pastel Roses and Twilight Bloom. I just wanted to add something else to the eye. And then for the lower lash line, I used a ColourPop eyeliner. And I made that disappear somewhere. Oh, no, here it is. This is No Shame, I think it is. Just a dark purple liner on the outer there. For face, I'm using the Danessa Myrick Yummy Skin number 9. My holy grail there. And then for cheeks blush, I'm using a La Femme blush in Indian Rose, which is this color right here. And for highlight, I'm using a Becca highlight. This is one of my favorites in Blushed Copper. And then for lips, I'm using on the perimeter the P. Louise Daiquiri Diva again. And I'm also using Electric Dream again. And then I finished it off with the gloss by Juvia's Place in Pink Drink. That's how I got the lip. I'm sorry, I'm getting hot. Turn my fan on. So, let me see my little things I got here. I just wanted to add in my hair. I got these at the beauty supply. Really cute. So yeah, so once I got my eye done, I'm going back to the eye, took out the sticker and then I applied a jewel right in the middle of the heart. Don't know if you can see it. So, that's what I did for the look. Wanted to make it kind of quick so you can get back to your life. I hope you like this look. I hope you're out there enjoying Valentine's Day. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. I will link the tutorial down below, link to TikTok.